Hello everyone, and welcome again to a new lesson of Microsoft Excel powered by Smallhead Big Wisdom. Today I'm gonna talk about manipulating text, how to enter text, how to copy and assign some special formatting. So in Excel, as I explained in previous videos, every cell is made up of a column and a row. A column is identified by a letter and a row by a number. So this cell is called D4, column D, row 4. So when I enter text, for instance, small head, big wisdom. So if it's too long, so I can double click to adjust to automatically fit the text in that cell. If I want to modify, there are several ways. The easiest one is here in the formula bar. I can delete or just add whatever is missing. Another way is double click and just insert or delete the text. Undo to recover the deleted text. So if I need, for instance, to enter numbers, automatically Excel identified those numbers suitable to make calculation, but for example telephone numbers are not intended to do calculations. So how to uh, tell Excel that don't consider a numeric value? So just I can just enter the text, highlight it, and here number and this marker, just click and say text. So Excel will consider this as a text. So I cannot do calculation with this information. If I want to change it to a number again, highlight and general. Okay, so this is the way to manipulate in test. So I can also, for instance, I'm gonna enter this test to do some alignment. So in this icon I can rotate in different directions or by using a specific angle. So here I can use drag and drop to the angle that I want and then hit OK. So just very important to place the cursor in the cell that I want to modify, and here format cell alignment. I can choose whatever I need. So if I need to copy text, so there are different ways. Just highlight the text that I want to copy, copy, and enter. This is one way. Another way is here when there is the black plus sign, hold left click, drag and drop. It copies automatically to the range of cells that I have highlighted. How to delete? If I want to delete the whole range, just highlight and hit the delete key. This key, delete, and we delete everything that have highlighted. Imagine that I have, for instance, I write computer, the word computer, but by accident I misspell. I added an extra W B, so here on the upper part, when the cursor is to the right of the letter, I can delete it using this key, backspace. Just hit that key and it deletes. Undo. If the cursor is to the left of the letter, so I use the del or delete key. So just press delete and it deletes. Okay, the same if I want to insert. For instance, if I have missed the letter P, just click on the left of the letter where I want to insert and then hit the letter. So now let's rename this sheet. For instance, I want to give Monday. I want activities for Monday, for instance. So now I'm gonna copy this sheet to another book. By default here we can see book 1. So I'm gonna create a new one, open a new one. Here on this icon, click, and this is book 2. So in view, switch windows, I can see both book 1 and book 2. Currently the active one is book 2. So I want to copy this sheet to book 2. Okay, from book 1 to book 2. How to do it? Just here right click on the sheet name, move for copy to which book. So here in the drop down I choose the book where I want to copy and where in that book I want at the end of that. So create a copy and hit OK. So you can see on the upper part the title is book 2 and copy the sheet Monday. By default is sheet 1. So now I'm gonna go to book 1 and here book 1. So this is the way to copy from one book to another one. How to move text from one place to another. So here I can, when you put the cursor, there is an arrow with 4 small arrows. Hold left click, drag and drop. This is the way to move from one place to another. Or here cut, click whenever I want to put and hit enter. Cut, click, enter. This is important if I have a lot of text and I want to move it to another range of cells. So I highlight everything. When there are one big white arrow with 4 black arrows, hold click and move it to the place that I need. Again, or cut and hit enter. That is the way of moving text. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon at Small Head, Big Wisdom.